G'day guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is team randomisation for break 69. Okay. Where are we? We're down here, we'll go live. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. Okay, 10:30 in the morning. Just grab the teams. Broncos down to Tigers. Copy. Chuck them in there. Tigers down the bottom. Broncos at the top. Good luck everyone. Let's randomise away 5 times. As usual guys, if you don't get the team you want, try and trade. Just tag me in it. 4 and last time. There we go, 5 times. 10:31. Let's grab all the teams. That in here. Delete that. And save. Alright guys, I'll put that up now. And if anyone wants to trade, we'll just tag me in it please. And I'll see you today at about 1 o'clock. What's going on with my typing here? Completed. Alright, thanks guys and see you later. Cheers.